Social stories explain social situations to children and help them learn socially appropriate behavior and responses in a fun way. Today's topic is good ways to touch someone. How to touch someone in a good manner. If you want to touch someone in a good manner, you will tap lightly on the shoulder to say, "Excuse me." And when you have their attention, look into their eyes and talk to them. Give high five to say, "Great." You can shake hands to say, "Hello." Or if someone extends their hand to shake hand with you, gently hold their hand and do shake hand 3 to 4 times. You can hug your close friends and family members with their permissions. To seek their permission, you can ask them, "Can I hug you?" And if they say yes, you can hug them. If they say no or "not now," say, "It's okay," and don't hug them then. Now you know the good ways to touch others. Let's remember the steps once more. You can tap someone lightly on the shoulder to say, "Excuse me." You can give high five to say, "Great." You can shake hands to say, "Hello." You can hug your close friends and family members with their permissions. We will be bringing more social stories soon. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates.